Stuck trying to figure out what to write about, or still stuck writing content that sounds like every other post out there? Generic captions, lifeless videos, and posts that nobody engages with. That's exactly what BuzzAgentsAI is here to fix. This isn't just another content tool spitting out robotic text. BuzzAgentsAI lets you build or choose from real personality-driven agents like ClaraConvert or GenFlex, so your content actually sounds like a human who gets your audience. You feed it a keyword or a basic idea, and it generates full posts, carousels, short-form videos, captions, everything, written in natural, convincing language that grabs attention. No filler, no fluff. And then it goes a step further. It schedules and posts your content across all major platforms automatically. So you're not just saving time, you're creating content that connects. Real users are using BuzzAgentsAI to grow real audiences, people who comment, click, and buy. From affiliate promos to lead generation, it turns plain ideas into high-performing campaigns without you ever needing to show your face. Plus, it comes with step-by-step affiliate training to help you monetize the content from day one. If you're tired of AI tools that all sound the same and you want something that actually talks like your customer does, BuzzAgentsAI is worth a look because bland content doesn't get clicks, and this tool knows how to speak with impact. Click the link in the description to discover more about BuzzAgentsAI and check out my special bonuses that will add more functional power to your AI deck. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video.